Thank you for joining SuperPowerPPT membership. We are glad you are on board. Your investment today brings you significant value. We are highly confident of that. Now, the SuperPowerPPT library that you just subscribed to gives you access to tens of thousands of digital media assets. However, this is our basic library. How would you like access to an even more massive library with 5 times more creative assets that also receives 10 times more updates? Introducing our SuperPowerPPT Ultimate Library. The Ultimate Library is the ultimate upgrade that will take your SuperPowerPPT membership to the next level. Here are the exciting reasons that you should upgrade to the Ultimate Library. Number 1, the Ultimate Library gives you access to 5 times more creative assets. These will include tens of thousands of digital media animation slides comprised of video templates, presentation templates, social media templates, slideshow templates, promotional templates, infographic templates, and much more for you to use in your unique creations. Number 2, the Ultimate Library receives 10 times more updates than the basic library. You'll never run out of fresh new creative assets. Number 3, and again, commercial rights is included at no additional cost. You could use these creative assets to create digital media for your clients without having to pay for additional expensive licensing fees. The SuperPowerPPT Ultimate Library is truly the ultimate upgrade. With access to the Ultimate Library, you will get an endless supply of gorgeous creative assets that you could use to create any digital media that you could think of. So upgrade your membership to the Ultimate Library today and get access to loads more animation slides and templates, plus 10 times more updates with a fresh supply of creative materials being delivered to the Ultimate Library regularly.